So whatever announcement you have posted out, what you can do is you can edit them out as well. So for example, let's say I want to go around and edit out this particular announcement that I have right here. In that case, you can go around and click on the three dot button and then click on edit over here. Once you do that, it says please refer to these files, and I'm going to go around and say and also take a look at the links. So I'm just going to go around and select that. So you can go around and let's say, for example, modify. Let's say I'm going to go around and add in a link right here to, let's say, this particular page right here. So you can see that I got two files and a page link over here. Similarly, I'm just going to go around over here in YouTube and I'm going to type in TutorTube and let's just type in docs right here, and you got relevant YouTube videos right here. So let's just go around and add in YouTube video as well. And I'm going to go around onto my Google Drive and add in, let's say, for example, another Google Drive file as well. So you can see that I got multiple files now, and I can go around and make some changes. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and make this bold, and I'm just going to go around and make the files bold as well and hit the save button. And once I do that, what happens is that we can see that the changes has been made up just like this. But whenever you make changes, you do get a timestamp over here which says edited at 3:30 a.m. just like this, which is sent to the students as well. So that is how you can go around and edit out announcements inside of Google Classroom as per how you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.